Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on temperature. One common scale used for measuring temperature is called the Celsius scale or centigrade scale. Here we have 0 degrees as the freezing point of pure water and 100 degrees as the boiling point. We also have the Fahrenheit scale, where the freezing point of pure water is 32 degrees and the boiling point is 212 degrees. The thermometer to the right shows the two scales. So here we are. On the right we have the centigrade scale, and on the left we have the Fahrenheit scale. Now it only goes to 50 degrees centigrade here, so it doesn't go to 100, but this here is normally used to measure, say, temperature for the weather. That's what that thermometer is about. That's why it doesn't actually go to 100 and this one doesn't go to 212. Some common temperatures in real life are listed below, and the measurements here are in degrees Celsius. So 100 degrees, that's where pure water boils. 45 degrees is a very hot day, which is about there on the Celsius scale. 37 degrees is normal body temperature. 25 degrees is room temperature. 10 degrees is a cool day. 0 degrees, water freezes, that's pure water. Minus 10 degrees, it's very cold outside. And minus 20 degrees, it's winter at the poles. That's very, very cold indeed. Let's have a look at some common examples. Number 1. On a particular day, the temperature went from minus 6 degrees up to 12 degrees. What was the total rise in temperature? So the solution: from minus 6 degrees to 0 degrees is a rise of 6 degrees. So that rise there is 6 degrees. From 0 degrees to 12 degrees is a rise of 12 degrees. So here we have two rises, one of 6 degrees and one of 12 degrees. Hence, the total rise, we add those together and we get 18 degrees as the total rise. Number 2, the temperature of water in a jug is 76 degrees, that's Celsius. How far does it need to rise to get to boiling point? So this here refers to Celsius or centigrade. So 100 degrees minus 76 degrees gives us 24 degrees. So it has to go up another 24 degrees Celsius to get to boiling point. Number 3, what is the freezing point of water in degrees Celsius? It is 0 degrees. What is the freezing point of water in degrees Fahrenheit? The freezing point is 32 degrees, and that's in degrees Fahrenheit. So this video has introduced us to the idea of temperature, and we've looked at a scale where we have Celsius or centigrade on the right hand side and we have Fahrenheit on the left hand side. We've seen some common temperatures, mainly from the centigrade scale and a few from the Fahrenheit scale.